Fix fatal error in Wuthering Waves. 1. Verify game files, if on PC launcher, like Epic or others. If available via launcher, go to your game launcher. Find Wuthering Waves. Click Settings or the Ta icon. Choose Verify or Repair Game Files. Let it scan and fix any corrupt missing files. 2. Update reinstall GPU drivers. Outdated or corrupted GPU drivers can trigger fatal errors. For NVIDIA, use GeForce Experience drivers, check for updates, install, or download manually, https:/nvidia.com/downloadsindex.aspex. For AMD, use AMD Adrenalin software or manually update 8dis/amd.com/support. Tip: choose clean install when updating drivers to avoid leftover conflicting files. 3. Disable overclocking if applied. Revert any GPU-CPU overclocking to default settings using BIOS or apps like MSI Afterburner. Unreal Engine is sensitive to hardware overclock instability. 4. Force DX11 or DX12 mode. Sometimes UE crashes due to rendering API issues. Steps: 1. Navigate to C, Users, Your User, App Data, Local, Wuthering Waves, Saved, Config, Windows Client. 2. Open GameUserSettings.ini. 3. Add or edit the following line: preferred graphics API equals DX11. Or try preferred graphics API equals DX12. 4. Save and restart the game. Try 5. Delete config files. Force clean boot of game settings. 1. Go to C Users, Your User, App Data, Local, Wuthering Waves. 2. Delete the saved folder. 3. Launch the game. It will regenerate fresh config files. 6. Install repair Unreal Engine prerequisites. Go to Wuthering Waves, Engine, Extras, Redist, ueprec setup.exe, installs necessary VC++ and DirectX files, or manually install Visual C++ redistributables /learn-microsoft.com/cpp/windows latest supported VC Redist, DirectX end user runtime web installer //gamecrashfix download/enus download/details.aspx. 7. Disable background apps that interfere with UE. Apps like MSI Afterburner, Discord Overlay, Riva Tuner, and third-party overlays can crash UE. Temporarily disable RGB tools, Razer Synapse, SteelSeries Engine, screen recorders, OBS, Shadowplay, overlays, Steam, Discord, GeForce Overlay. 8. Run as administrator plus compatibility mode. 1. Right-click wutheringwaves.exe. Click Properties Compatibility. 3. Check. Run this program as administrator. Run in compatibility mode. Try Windows 8. Click Apply. Then launch. Crashed. 9. Check crash logs. 1. Navigate to C Users or App Data, Local Wuthering Waves, Saved Logs. 2. Open the latest .log file. 3. Look for any specific DLL, shader, or DirectX error. Paste here if you want me to analyze it for you. Still not working? If you've tried all the above and the issue persists, try reinstalling the game completely. Reach out to Wuthering Waves support with your logs and PC specs. Optional, share your specs. If you'd like a more tailored fix, tell me. Your GPU and CPU, Windows version, e.g. Windows 10 11. Are you using Steam or a standalone launcher?